So let's go ahead and create this first project. This is going to create what's called a team project. And a team project is pretty much your base container for any related project work. You can have quite a few team projects in your Visual Studio Online account. So creating team project is really easily, especially the first one, because it's already prompting me to do so. So first I need to choose a name. I'll call it FlashCast1. I can give it a description if I want to. And then I have to choose my version control options. I can choose either to use TFVC or Team Foundation version control, or I can use Git. TFVC is the standard version control system that's been a part of Team Foundation server since its initial release. It's a centralized controlled system that gives users a single version of a file at a time, and it's great for teams that need control over access permissions or need to version very large code bases. Git is a DVCS or distributed version control system that has much more recently been supported. Its model provides users with an entire local copy of the version control repository. So when users check in or commit in Git speak, the commit is local, so it's very fast. Commits are later pushed or merged up to a master repository. So for this demo, I'll just choose TFVC. And the next thing I need to choose is my process template. A process template is effectively a definition of a process that will embed itself into your project. You'll see what you can choose from right here. So I can choose a Scrum, Agile, or CMMI process improvement template. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Use Scrum. I'll hit Create Project. And after about 30 seconds to a minute, depending, you'll have your project created for you. So now I can see I'm already connected to my project. I'm connected to FlashCast1, and it gives me a bunch of how-tos to kind of help me get started real quickly. So now once we have our project set up, we can choose which direction we want to go. There are a couple things I can do first, depending on my priorities. I could get my code into source control so I can start developing code right away, or I could get my backlog set up so I could begin tracking mine or my team's work. Or lastly, I could add some users to my VSO account. So thanks for watching. Feel free to check out the other short videos in this Getting Started series. Also, a full-length video combining each of these sections is available. For more information, visit visualstudio.com.